ICSE मैथ्स क्लास 8 एक्सरसाइज 5 क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 देखिए. राइट द प्राइम फैक्टर्स ऑफ द फॉलोइंग. ए पार्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 का ए पार्ट देखिए 280. इट्स प्राइम फैक्टर्स विल बी 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 7 and that can be written in this form also, that is 2 raised to power 3 into 5 raised to power 1 into 7 raised to power 1. Now B part, that is 999. It will be 3 into 3 into 3 into 37. It means it can be written in this way also, that 3 raised to power 3 into 37. Now the C part, the 550, it can be written here, the prime factors like 2 into 5 into 5 into 11. So 2 raised to power 1 into 5 raised to power 2 into 11 raised to power 1. D part, that is 3675. It can be factorized as a prime factors 3 into 5 into 5 into 7 into 7. That is 3 raised to power 1 into 5 raised to power 2 into 7 raised to power 2. Now come to the question number 2. Write any three multiples of the following: 240, 480, 720, 960 and 1200. These are the multiples and this will be continued. Now come to the B part, that is 111, 222, 333, 444, 555, in this way and so on. Now come to the C part, that is 920, 1840, 2760, 3680. D part, that is 435. Next multiple is 870, 1305, 1740. Now question number 3. Write the common factors of the following. Now you see the numbers are here: 24, 14, 26. So you write down here 24, 14 and 16. Divide it by 2. So it will be 12, 7 and 13. Now this 12, 7 and 13 cannot have common factor except 1. So 2 is the common factor. So the common factor is 1 and 2 only, because 1 is the common factor for every numbers. Therefore the 1 and 2 are the only common factor. Now proceed to the B part of question number 2. See, B part, that is 15, 45, 95. So write it in this way: 15, 45, 95. Divide it, all these 3 by 5. You will get the quotient 3, 9, 19. So the common factor is 1 and 5. Now come to the C part, that is 28, 49, 161. So here I have written 28, 49, 161. Divide it, all these number by 7. You will get the quotient 4, 7, 23, and the 4, 7, 23. These numbers are having only one common factor. So the common factors are 1 and 7. Now come to the D part, that is 63, 105, 189. So the common factor, we first of all find out. Here you see the 63, 105, 189. So all these numbers can be divided by 3. So divide it first, you will get the quotient 21, 35, 63. Now again you divide this number by the common factor, that is 7. You will get the quotient 3, 5, 9. So the common factor is 3 into 7, that is 21. So 1, 3, 7, 21. These are the common factor for all these given numbers. Now come to the question number 4. Write any two common multiples of the following. So I have written here the multiples of 6 here first. The 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. Now come to the 8. 8 has got the common multiples like this. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72. 12 has got the multiples like this. 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72. So the two common multiples are 24 and 48. Now come to the B part. In order to find the common multiples, you see the 15, its multiples are 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105, 120. Now the second, that is 20, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120. Now the third number, that is 30, 30, 60, 90, 120. So the two common multiples are 60 and 120. You see, the 60 is present in all the three multiples, and here 120. So the two common multiples are 60 and 120. Now come to the question number 5. Find the prime factors of the following. So the prime factors of 24,024 will be equal to 2 into, you see here, first of all I have factorized it like this. Divided by first 2, again you divide it by 2, again you divide it by 2, again now you divide it by 3, and now it can be divided by 11, so 7 and 13. So write down these numbers here, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7 into 11 into 13. Similarly, 16,016, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 11 into 13. This is which you can continue to divide and you will get the prime factors. Now come to the C part, that is 22,601. It will be 3 into 3 into 17 into 17. Similarly, the D part, that is 18,080. 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 11 into 13. These are the common factors, prime factors. Only prime factor, not common factor. These are the only prime factors. Now come to the question number 6. Use the method of prime factorization to find the HCF of the following. 72, its prime factors will be 2 raised to power 3 into 3 raised to power 2, 126, it will be 2 raised to power 1, 3 raised to power 2 and 7 raised to power 1. Next, 168, its prime factors will be 2 raised to power 3 into 3 raised to power 1 into 7 raised to power 1. Therefore, the HCF will be, we have to take the common prime factors. So 2 raised to power 1, the minimum power, that is 2 raised to power 1. Here, now you see the 3 raised to power 1, 3 raised to power 2, 3 raised to power 2. So we have to take the whose power is minimum, that is 3 raised to power 1 will be taken. Now 2 into 3, that is 6. So HCF will be 6. Now they come to the B part of the question, that is 96, 528, 2160. The prime factors of the 96 is 2 raised to power 5 into 3 raised to power 1. 528 का देखिए prime factors 2 raised to power 4 into 3 raised to power 1 into 11 raised to power 1. 2160, 2 raised to power 4 into 3 raised to power 3 into 5 raised to power 1. Now for the HCF we have to take the common as well as the minimum power factor. Now see the 2 raised to power 4, here it is 2 raised to power 4, 2 raised to power 4, 2 raised to power 5. So the minimum power is 2 raised to power 4, so I have written here 2 raised to power 4. Now you see here the 3. Here 3 raised to power 3, 3 raised to power 1, 3 raised to power 1. So 3 raised to power 1 will be taken as a common prime factors. So 2 raised to the power 4 into 3, that will be equal to 48, will be the HCF of these three numbers. Now come to the C part, 480. Its prime factors are like this: 2 raised to the power 5, 3 raised to the power 1, 5 raised to the power 1. 540, 2 raised to the power 2 into 3 raised to the power 3 into 5 raised to the power 1. 600, 2 raised to the power 3 into 3 raised to the power 1 into 5 raised to the power 2. So the HCF will be equal to 2 raised to the power 2 into 3 raised to the power 1 into 5 raised to the power 1. These are the common prime factors of minimum power. So ultimately we will get the HCF, that will be equal to 60. Come to the D part, that is 592. Its prime factors will be like this: 2 raised to the power 4 into 37 raised to the power 1. 999, that is 3 raised to the power 3 into 37 raised to the power 1. 777, it will be 3 raised to the power 1 into 7 raised to the power 1 into 37 raised to the power 1. Therefore the HCF will be, this is the common factor is only 37 raised to the power 1. So I have written here 37 raised to the power 1, that will be equal to 37, will be the HCF. Now come to the E part, that is 1128, whose prime factors will be 2 raised to the power 3 into 3 raised to the power 1 into 47 raised to the power 1, and 1464, its common prime factors will be, its only prime factors will be 2 raised to the power 3 into 3 raised to the power 1 into 61 raised to the power 1. So the HCF will be the 2 raised to the power 3. You see, the 2 raised to the power 3. Now come to the 3 raised to the power 1. These are the only common prime factors and having the same powers. So it will be equal to 24. Now come to the question number 7. That's all.